Welcome to the unboxing of the Bosch GKS 18V-68 GC Cordless Circular Saw. Let's take a look in the box. Inside we have three different instruction manuals, one for the Bluetooth module, a piece of paper, one for the battery charger, and one for the saw itself. Here is a battery contained within a box. Let's open it up. Inside we have a Bosch ProCore 18V 8 amp hour battery. Here is the saw itself. Very nice weight, rather good size. It has a festal pattern guide rail slot and a Bosch compatible guide rail slot. Here is the battery charger with active air cooling and power boost function. And here is another battery, the same as before, a Bosch ProCore 18V 8 amp hour. A special thanks to Bosch for providing these tools free of charge.